the show.
1, 2, 3.
Accelerate. Checking, 1, 2, 3.
I'm really excited, and the talent show is going to be doing it. I'm going to be dancing on stage with Sonia, and Imran Khan's coming, the Lord Mayor's coming. It's just really exciting.
Now, I'm looking for a volunteer very quickly. Who wants to come up here?
There you go.
I don't know, I've always kind of sung, but only recently I've actually done anything with it.
Come on in. Very quickly, very quickly, very quickly.
I've enjoyed everything, stage, people dancing, singing, and just there's so many people out here, it's just great.
Come on, let's see the brave there. Oh, look at it.
Just believe in yourself, don't let your nerves get the better of you, because like you feel really nervous, but when you get out there and you enjoy it, you just forget about everything and just do what you like doing.
Give them a big clap, ladies and gentlemen. That's more like it. Thank you very much, guys. Give it this.